This is an indoor light test for the Canon Rebel SL2. This is going to be using the camera in full auto mode and with the included kit lens. It is currently noonish and the cloud coverage outside is as good as I'm gonna get, we'll say, for a while. So this is about as much sunlight as I would get outside, so we're gonna transition inside and see how things do. And we'll just do slow crawl to the corner there that's kind of dark. There's a cat there sitting half in shadow, half in the sun, so it's still showing that it's picking up too much light. There we go, it's transitioned now to not the bright lights, and in comparison to the video I did back with the Canon Vixia HFR 400, you can see that my house looks much neater. So we're just gonna walk it to the back here. Little hallway, has no lights on. It is just the natural light that's behind me. So we'll see how it handles. We are gonna transition into the bedroom, which has just the bedroom lights on, but there is light coming in from behind the window there, just to see how things are doing. And we are going to spin around to have it transition once again from the darker to the bright. And it does seem to be focusing more on that exterior bright area. If I tilt it down just enough, it will transition back to dark. And now it's peeking out for the bright exterior. Sadly, the cats are not cooperating in running around, so sadly, no movement tests for this portion. Low light test, it's about dusk, transitioning to inside with only some lights on. See how that transitions. Really only have the 2 LEDs on over there. There's a cat sitting on the couch, doesn't seem to want to move, so I don't know if we're going to get anything out of that. But this is just the low light interior. So I do have some outside light and some source lights, just LEDs. We'll go into the hallway again. So completely dark hallway. And then we will transition to the bedroom, which really doesn't get much light out of that back window there, and only has the 2 compact fluorescents. There is a cat on that bed, and we will swing around just like we did last time and show the dark hallway, and we'll pop up and see how it transitions from the dark and to the light. Low light test, this is transitioning from dark outside. It's about as dark as it gets in my complex, and we will swing inside, which just has 2 LED lights in my living room, and we'll see how the transition works. So there's that dark corner, 2 75-watt equivalent LED light bulbs, and just kind of walk that down, see what the low light looks like. Again, we'll transition into the completely dark hallway and see how that does. And then again, the bedroom just has the nightstand lights, and there is both cats. It does not seem that they're going to be moving around, but alright, so this is a little smaller room, slightly better lit, and we're going to spin around and transition back out to the hallway, see how that does. Transition from the dark. Alright, so there's a little bit of stutter there, and then back to the living room, hallway, and back, and that ends the indoor light tests.